So you've got no time to build your online business, yeah? Too busy on the gym floor, yeah? Listen to this. Have you ever had food in your face? Say you got like yogurt on your nose or something like that, right? Somebody tells you, you've got something, you wipe it off, like, oh, I didn't even realize it. Why? Because you can't see it. It's on your face. And similarly to this, you can't see and we can't see our biggest mistakes a lot of the time because we're busy living too much. We're in the mix. We have a lot of emotions tied into whatever it is we're doing. So we can't see if we're way off. And that's why it's important to have counsel, to have people around you that you can ask and that can see what you're doing, that they can call things out to you. And I'm going to call things out to you because I speak to a lot of coaches, I've got a lot of experience in it. Working like a robot is not serving you. If you're working in and out day by day, you have no time for yourself, you have no time to think, to journal, to go out, experience, then that is not serving you. It's going to keep you limited and blocked at whatever it is you are making and doing right now. And look, if you're making £2,000, £3,000, it's not always about just working a lot harder and working double that amount to make double that amount. It's like the famous Warren Buffett quote that sometimes it's not the boat, how hard you're rowing, but the boat that you're rowing in. What we know is that personal training is limited. You're limited to however many hours you are doing that you can possibly do a week physically and how much you can charge in that specific area. Even if you want to stay in the gym floor, cut those hours in half and build an online coaching business with your spare time that can go up to 20, 50, 100 clients without taking up as much time. And then you have a balanced life and more money in your pocket. So look, online is how you buy back your time. And if you're worried about that little transition between being busy on a gym floor and building the online business, then you need to go to someone who's done it before and knows how to make it as smooth as possible, like ourselves. All right, peace.